Mr. Chairman, just for the record, baka kasi hindi naintindihan masyado ng ating mga kababayan. Kaya ito ay hindi hearing at ito ay committee meeting, consultative meeting, ay dahil kinikilala natin na hindi pa nahahalal ang lahat ng membro ng Committee on Public Accountability. At dahil hindi pa nahahalal lahat ng membro, hindi pa constituted ang committee. Although the chairperson has been elected and the chairperson, as legislative practice will reveal, has from time to time been allowed by practice to hold consultative meetings, even if there is no quorum, even if the committee has not been fully constituted. And also, yes, that is correct, is empowered to designate a vice chairman. So in the meantime, because we are have not, out of respect for our colleagues in the minority, dahil hindi pa nako-constitute, hindi pa sila hinahalal, ay hindi natin tinatawag itong, o hindi natin isinasagawa ang hearing. This is in contrast to the previous bogus hearing last Thursday, wherein the Blue Ribbon Committee precisely had been declared vacant, and even before we removed the Senate President, former Senate President, they already sent out notices for that June 4 hearing, which again is an indication of their disregard for our rules in the Senate. Kaya, just for the record, Mr. Chairperson.